Ever found yourself juggling a million tasks for your home service business, feeling like you're constantly putting out fires instead of actually growing? You're not alone. In the demanding world of contracting, cleaning, landscaping, and countless other field service industries, staying organized and efficient can feel like a Herculean task. But what if there was a tool designed specifically to lift that burden, to streamline your operations and free you up to focus on what you do best? That's the question we're diving into today. What exactly is the purpose of Jobber? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're a busy HVAC technician. Your phone rings non-stop with service requests. You're scribbling down appointment details on scraps of paper, trying to remember which tools you need for each job, and then spending your evenings invoicing clients and chasing payments. Sound familiar? This kind of chaos isn't just stressful. It's costing you time, money, and potentially even your sanity. Or perhaps you run a thriving landscaping business. Your crew is out on different sites, and you're struggling to keep track of their progress, manage schedules, and ensure everyone has the right information. Communication breakdowns lead to errors, delays frustrate clients, and you're spending more time managing logistics than nurturing client relationships. These scenarios, while specific, highlight a universal pain point for field service professionals: the struggle to manage the intricate web of tasks involved in running their businesses effectively. From initial client contact to final payment, there are countless moving parts that need to be coordinated seamlessly. And that's precisely where Jobber steps in. At its core, Jobber is a comprehensive software platform designed to simplify and automate the day-to-day operations of field service businesses. Think of it as your central command center, a digital hub that brings together all the essential tools you need to manage your business efficiently, all in one place. But let's break that down. What does simplify and automate actually mean in practical terms? First and foremost, Jobber streamlines your client management. Forget about scattered emails, lost contact information, and the endless back and forth of scheduling. Jobber allows you to manage all your client interactions in one organized system. You can create detailed client profiles, track communication history, store important notes, and easily access all the information you need at your fingertips. This not only saves you time but also allows you to provide a more personalized and professional experience for your clients. Next up is scheduling and dispatching. Remember our HVAC technician and landscaping business owner? Jobber offers powerful scheduling tools that allow you to efficiently assign jobs to your team, optimize routes to minimize travel time, and keep everyone informed of their daily tasks. You can easily drag and drop appointments, view team availability, and even send automated appointment reminders to clients, reducing no-shows and improving customer satisfaction. This means less time spent on logistical headaches and more time focused on delivering quality service. Then there's the crucial aspect of quoting and invoicing. Creating professional-looking quotes and invoices is essential for winning business and getting paid promptly. Jobber simplifies this process by allowing you to create detailed quotes with customizable line items, taxes, and discounts. Once the job is complete, you can easily convert that quote into a professional invoice and send it to your client electronically. Jobber also offers features for online payments, making it easier for your clients to pay you and improving your cash flow. No more chasing checks or manually processing payments. But Jobber's purpose extends beyond just these core functions. It also offers robust tools for job management. You can create detailed job descriptions, assign tasks to specific team members, track time spent on each job, and even upload photos and notes directly to the job file. This ensures that everyone on your team has the information they need to complete the job effectively and that you have a clear record of the work performed. Furthermore, Jobber provides valuable reporting and analytics. Understanding the performance of your business is crucial for making informed decisions and driving growth. Jobber offers a range of reports that provide insights into key metrics such as revenue, expenses, job profitability, and team productivity. This data empowers you to identify areas for improvement, track your progress, and make strategic decisions to take your business to the next level. And let's not forget about communication. In the fast-paced world of field service, clear and timely communication is paramount. Jobber facilitates seamless communication between your office staff, field team, and clients. You can send messages, share updates, and keep everyone in the loop, ensuring that jobs run smoothly and clients are always informed. So, to circle back to our initial question, what is the purpose of Jobber? It's more than just a piece of software. It's a comprehensive solution designed to empower field service businesses to thrive. It's about moving away from the chaos of manual processes and embracing a streamlined, efficient, and organized approach to managing your operations. Jobber's purpose is to save you time. By automating repetitive tasks and centralizing your workflows, Jobber frees up valuable time that you can reinvest in growing your business or simply enjoying a better work-life balance. Improve your organization. Say goodbye to scattered paperwork and missed appointments. Jobber provides a central hub for all your business information, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Enhance your professionalism. From polished quotes and invoices to efficient communication and scheduling, Jobber helps you present a professional image to your clients, building trust and credibility. Boost your efficiency. By optimizing routes, streamlining communication, and providing real-time information, Jobber helps your team work more efficiently, allowing you to complete more jobs in less time. Improve your cash flow. Faster invoicing and online payment options help you get paid quicker, improving your cash flow and financial stability. Gain valuable insights. Reporting and analytics provide you with a clear understanding of your business performance, enabling you to make data-driven decisions and drive growth. Enhance customer satisfaction. Clear communication, timely service, and a professional experience lead to happier clients who are more likely to become repeat customers and recommend your services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.